that you, for instance, could say almost tired of, because year in, year out, farmers get to suffer the brunt, which result in food challenges up north. Exactly what really could be the problem? There's the expectation of a multi-purpose dam to be created, but it appears that has not taken the needed attention of the government just as yet.
Well, let me say good afternoon to you, and then to those who are listening to us. I think we should all be tired of talking about this, but we can't be tired because there's pain that goes with it. And the pain that we experience with this flood comes perennially. And the only thing we can say is that we have the government which will know the problem but refuses to solve the problem. In fact, we are not engineers, but we believe that if government had pursued the construction of the Pologo Dam, it would have gone a long way to be able to absorb some of this water and then minimize the flooding. You know, as a country, we're just so pathetic that we sit down, we allow water to go to waste, and then thereafter, we ask ourselves, and we say that we are building dams that cannot even take water. If you look at the One Village, One Dam, and it's just like we leave the people to their fate. No one comes to their aid. Every year, NADMO will come in, that they are trying to rescue them, they are trying to advise them. You know, issues of advice is not action. In fact, the challenge that we are facing is not a challenge for the individual. The farmers are not reckless. That is why their farms are flooded. The farmers are not negligent. That's why their farms are flooded. It's just that the country, the state, is reckless, negligent. You know, that is why it does not protect its people,
Right.
you know, from flooding. It does not protect them from losing their livelihoods. Because after this flood, these people are already among the most vulnerable people in the country because they are food crops farmers. Yet, we are not ready, even after they are crying.
Right.
After we know the realities on the ground, after everybody sees it, we are not ready to come to their aid. You know, it is so much heartbreaking. And I just wonder when or what would government like to see again for its attention to be drawn to the problem and to act on the problem.
Just briefly, perhaps in 15 seconds, this would mean there could be challenges to food security in the country in the coming weeks.
Look, it's going to exacerbate our already precarious food situation. Look, we are already food insecure without even challenges. And then this food insecurity has been aggravated by even the problems within the Sahel countries, Mali, Burkina Faso, and so on. And this has come on. And look, let us also remember that this is just from the Bagre Dam. There is also the perennial rainfall which floods the northern part of the country. So our problem is just going to be exacerbated, and our food insecurity is going to get worse.
Carol, many thanks for speaking to us.
Thank you, sir.
That's Edward Carol, is the General